What's up, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a water hose that I have here. This is the Flexzilla, and this is what they're calling the swivel grip. And the reason they're calling it that is, check out how that grip works. You can lock it on a lot easier than having to deal with that little small piece right here. And this is the 50 foot that is it's 50 foot long, and it's a 5/8 hose. So this one gives you a lot more like hose diameter to get the pressure going through. And this hose right here, they're saying it doesn't kink when it's under pressure. So when you got the water on, it's not gonna kink on you. And it comes with a lifetime warranty. Like, this has a very durable feeling to it. So it feels like it's not gonna break. You can see me twisting it up right there. So let me go ahead and open it up here and see what you get with it. You know, I'm opening it for the first time. We don't wanna cut the hose. There you go, pretty easy. You know, three little zip ties there. You can see how the hose looks right there. Check out that fitting. That looks awesome. I like the looks of that fitting. So yeah, let me go ahead and hook it up, and we'll see how it works. All right, I went ahead and put the nozzle on it. I got the nozzle turned off. This is how it's gonna go on right here. Super simple. I've not ever seen one as simple as this to get on there. You just basically tighten it up right there, and it's got a very hardened, that looks like a type of injected molded plastic with the logo on it, Flexzilla. So let me go ahead and turn it on here. I'm just gonna turn it on wide open. Well, I heard some noises, and I think all it's doing is going through the hose. Well, it was on. Well, we not got water going everywhere, so we know it works somewhat. All right, I went ahead and I unraveled it all there. You know what? I seen that it will kind of keep up on you if you do pull on it hard, but it almost like rights itself after a while. See, when you pull on it, you can see it will do it if you just grab it like that, but it almost pops itself out. It's got this type of rubber coating or something on it. I love this really bright green color too. It's got this neon green look to it. So let's check real quick and see how the pressure is on this thing. Well, that started like a fire hose. Wow, that's actually got a lot of pressure. Look at this. I can let go of it, and look how it just kind of like pushes on itself. Cone pattern. I highly recommend this hose for anybody that's just needing a basic water hose for like watering plants or washing a car. How about this? You can see right here on the sidewalk, see how it's just kind of like got the pressure for that. You know, I can take down all these flowers with this water too. Super dry. It's not leaking on either one of the connectors there. And once again, it was kind of kinked up at first, but it almost like rights itself for however it does that. See how it just kind of like rights itself when it's like kinked? So it does work when there's pressure on it. When there's no pressure on it, I think it'll kink up on you. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Let's go spray some stuff. See you guys.